Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready. Power the unit and observe boot LEDs to ensure it starts. Once powered, scan the housing for model and serial labels. Those strings tell you vendor and platform. Make sure to photograph labels and note firmware or version stickers. Next, trace the physical connections, Ethernet, USB, power, and confirm they match expected ports. This first action gives immediate identity clues and prevents wasted steps later. If something looks altered, flag it before proceeding. Connect the device to your diagnostic laptop and run the vendor discovery tool or a generic network scanner. This reveals IP, MAC, and often model strings. Once discovered, open the Web UI or SSH into the device to read firmware and hardware ID. Those fields confirm the L1 biometric class. Make sure to check sensor-specific identifiers like camera module or fingerprint sensor part numbers because they determine compatibility. If you can, pull the device log to finalize identification by performing a controlled test enrollment. That proves the sensor type and template format in practice. Once done, cross-check model and firmware against the vendor portal to confirm L1 classification and any required firmware updates. Make sure to record serial numbers, photos, and test results in your report. If the device is not recognized, power cycle it, try a different USB cable or port, and reinstall drivers. Often a simple reconnect resolves recognition faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.